Once upon a time, there was a humble little dog who lived in a small village near the forest. He was known to be a loyal companion for his owner, the hunter who used to take him to the forest on his hunting sessions. One day, as they were walking through the woods, they came across a mighty lion, who was wounded and in distress. The dog, being a kind-hearted creature, immediately ran towards the lion and started barking for help. The hunter, who was frightened by the lion's size and power, wanted to flee. But the little dog refused to abandon the lion, and he continued barking until the hunter finally agreed to help. Together, they managed to take the lion back to their village, where they bandaged his wounds and gave him the necessary treatment. The lion, grateful for their kindness, decided to stay with them for a while, and they all became good friends. As the weeks went by, the dog and the lion would often spend time together, playing and exploring the village. The villagers were amazed to see a dog and a lion living peacefully with each other, and they started to admire their friendship. One day, a group of hunters came to the village looking for the lion. They had heard of a wounded lion in the area and wanted to capture him for their amusement. The little dog, who had grown to love the lion, refused to let them take him away, and he stood bravely in front of the lion to protect him. The hunters threatened to hurt the dog, but the lion, who by now had regained his strength, let out a mighty roar that scared the hunters away. From then on, they all lived happily ever after, the dog and the lion, along with their hunter friend, who became known in the village as the lion's protector.